If you're experiencing Matchmaking Error 2025 in FIFA 24, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back to playing as quickly as possible. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official FIFA or EA Sports website to check if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they're back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close FIFA 24 completely and restart it. This can help refresh your connection to the servers and may resolve temporary glitches causing the error. Step 3. Reset your internet connection. Unplug your modem and router for about 30 seconds, then plug them back in. This can help clear any connectivity issues that might be affecting your matchmaking. Step 4. Update your game. Ensure that FIFA 24 is updated to the latest version. Check for any available updates on your gaming platform and install them, as updates often include fixes for known errors. Step 5. Contact support. If the error persists after trying the above steps, reach out to EA Sports customer support for further assistance. They can provide specific guidance and solutions tailored to your situation. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the matchmaking error and enjoy your gaming experience. If issues continue, don't hesitate to seek help from the community or support channels.